Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use public Wi-Fi hotspots safely. Public Wi-Fi can be convenient, but it often lacks strong security, leaving your personal data exposed. It's crucial to understand the risks involved and take proactive steps to protect your information. We'll cover essential practices to keep your online activities private and secure, ensuring peace of mind when connecting in public. A virtual private network, or VPN, is your best friend on public Wi-Fi. It encrypts all your internet traffic, creating a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. This makes it incredibly difficult for anyone to intercept your data, even on an unsecured network. Always select a trusted VPN provider with a clear privacy policy to ensure your information remains truly private. Practicing smart browsing habits is key. Always look for HTTPS in the website address bar, indicating a secure connection. Disable automatic Wi-Fi connection settings on your devices to prevent them from joining unknown networks without your consent. Also, remember to turn off file sharing and features like AirDrop when using public Wi-Fi to prevent unauthorized access to your files. Beyond these steps, maintaining overall device security is vital. Regularly update your operating system and all applications to patch any security vulnerabilities. Always use strong, unique passwords for every online account, ideally with a password manager. Finally, consider enabling a firewall on your device to add an extra layer of protection by controlling network traffic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.